Got him. About to say they haven't woke up Grandpa yet, but now they are. Boy. Oh, there's a bone scrap right there. Coming under the house, bro. Fuse is up top, so I have the responsibility to watch Fuse. Why is everyone over here? I got house watched. You can watch battery. Julie's on me. Nice. Alright, she's dead. Got him. Okay, Connie has 500 and Anna has 300. Nice. Okay, house is good. Showed my hitchhikers watching battery side. Johnny's killing everyone. Probably actually reset this door too. Nice. The Johnny again? No, that's a hitchhiker. Or yeah, it's both Johnny. I have a kill too. Oh yeah, I forgot I killed the Julie. Lol. Damn kids, where'd they go? Alright, what we doing, Connie? She over here. Oh yeah, she's in the basement, I think. Classic. Feed your Ghiblies to Grandpa. That's why I like playing Blood Bones. I mean, it's kind of like a situation, like situational pick, but GG. I tell you what. Hey, get that damn boy of yours in line. Kind of want to go to the basement, but I don't think this Leatherface really needs my help, so I'm just gonna go over here, watch this. Ooh, get your ass smacked, boy. Got him. Hello. Got him. I still got it. Oh, getting a little trapped over here, huh? Nut shot. Get him, Leatherface. Get him, Leatherface, get him. Go, go, go. Okay, that just misses. Hello? Come on, Leatherface. What are you doing, bruh? Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Got him. Hell yeah, dude. Where's that Julie at, yo? Wait, I think she's AFK. Wait, isn't that a streamer? What the fuck? Why are they AFK? Wacha! Wacha! GG. Wait, this person is a streamer, by the way. What the fuck? Why are they AFK? Got him. Hell yeah, dude. I've seen this Leland before. I just can't remember if they were a pain or not. Looks like these guys are new, or is my Leatherface just really good? Oh, got him. Damn, he made it. He immediately came up. I think I've seen this guy before. It's feeding Grandpa, okay. I should probably get some blood. I mean, these guys have like no points, the victims. Probably should have been collecting blood buckets already. I probably would have had 100 by now. Well, after this one, I would have had 100. So, okay, so the Leland has a door open. Have to watch out for this guy now. There's one in the holding pen. Is it him? No. Okay, for some reason my hitchhiker's in the basement. Not really too sure about that.
I'm not a violent man. This is something I gotta do. I'll make it snappy, I promise.
I'll make it snappy, I promise.
I'll fix it to find me all, that's for sure.
Both of my teammates are in the basement now. Wait, why'd my Leland rage quit? Or why'd the Leyland rage quit? Is he dying? Or is he just leaving because his team is bad? I think he's leaving because his team is bad. Oh, there she is. I was like, where the fuck is she? My teammates aren't paying attention. Oh, there's the Leland. What the fuck? Oh, here's the Julie. I'm trying. They're pretty shifty for normal folk. She gonna rage quit? Got him.
Nice.
Please don't snap my neck, Mr. Killer. Oh. Where's this Leland at, bro? I'm not gonna be able to kill him, too slow. Shit. Got him. So slow, dude. Alright guys, I'll get there eventually. Oh shit, he's killing someone. Nice. Got him. This looks like these might be newer victim players. I'm a coming to get ya. Ooh. Ah. Oh, she got in a trap. Did she rage quit? Oh my god, there was a trap there. Jesus, who are my teammates? Made by Panda? Jesus. My teammates are kind of crazy, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, he's down there. There you are. Look how good Cook is, dude. Holy shit, Cook is so strong. Look at this shit. Got him. He's turning the water pump. He's running now. Hello. What's up? I'm just gonna sit there? Okay. Hey, you're gonna go down the ladder like a little bitch.
Just listen. I wouldn't have to do this.
He ran back up. See the blood.
You're only making it harder. I can't hear nothing.
I hear him. Dude, he's like, oh fuck. Probably should have shut that door too.
You better not be messing with Grandpa.
Oh, he incapped. Oh, he hit the trap. Ah, GG, got him. Insta rage quit. Got him. Damn, look at that Cook gameplay. Sheesh.